we will talk about past perfect. Past perfect. We had learned yesterday in yesterday class what past continuous, but past continuous had cleared by us. So let's take a rule about past perfect. So had plus verb of third form you have only one helping verb. Okay, no any tensions that we will use subject and plus another helping verb. No, whatever you have subject, singular and plural, I, we, you, they, he, she, it, any name, any singular or plural, you have to use only one helping verb of had and plus verb of third form. Okay, doesn't matter that your sentence is positive or negative, but you have to use always had plus verb of third form when we talk about past perfect. Okay, so what is the recognition? Recognition is that it's really very simple rule here that we can use had, we can use past perfect when your activity is finished. When your activity is finished before another activity, so you can see you can use had plus verb of third form. Whatever your activity is finished yesterday, day before yesterday, or before days, before some days, but you talk about had plus of verb third form. I just give example. I had gone to market yesterday. Oh my God. I just remembered something. Richa ma'am, you were telling to us that when we talk about yesterday, day before yesterday, long back, so we will make a sentence in past indefinite. But right now, you are telling to us same rules about, yeah, of course, you listened very okay, but just notice something. We will use past perfect when your activity is finished before another activity, and then in this condition you can use past perfect. In this condition you can put by your closed eyes had plus verb of third form. I just give example. Okay, I had gone to market yesterday before my hubby came at home. Okay, my hubby didn't come, but before my hubby came, I had gone to market. Okay, I just give you another example. Example is he had completed all preparations for welcome to guests before started the function. Did you notice something? had completed all preparations. I had completed means my preparations had completed for welcome to guest. Okay. Before started the function. Before start the function, I had completed my all responsibilities, which is really very required. Okay. So, okay. Let's take a second example. We had enjoyed a lot before my mother-in-law came at home. What? We had enjoyed a lot before my mother-in-law came at home. Before this word, before my mom came, we had enjoyed a lot. Okay? So, and now we will talk about the negative. I had not made plans. So when we will talk about negative, so we will use had plus not. Okay? After had we will use not. If your sentence is negative, so we will use I had not made plan to go market. Okay? And if in interrogative sign, same here, we will use as always helping verb in the beginning of sentence, and after that subject and verb and object, and plus don't forget to interrogate with a sign. Okay? Let's take an example. Had. Now third example on interrogative. Had you completed your task which I gave you day before yesterday on past indefinite tenses? So just give me comment if you have completed your task. So just ping me by comment message that had you completed your task which I gave to you about past indefinite. Okay? So let's see, we will meet again in next class with past perfect continuous. So don't forget, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget, for new notifications press the bell icon. Bye.